Do you really want to hear a horror story?
Yes.
All right, come on. Have you ever heard about Edgar Allan Poe?
No.
Well, he was a very famous writer, and most of his stories were about horror. So I'm going to tell you some titles, and you're going to choose one, okay?
Yes.
Okay, the first one. The Balloon Hoax?
No.
No.
The Gold Bug?
No.
No.
The In the Book of the Perverse?
No.
The Black Cat?
Yes, that's
Yes.
Okay, very good.
We don't like that.
Okay, this story is about Manuel and his wife Mona and their black cat.
This story begins with the tormenting and terrifying memories of Alan, a man who had committed the most horrible crime you can imagine, and for that, he was declared insane. I will now begin to tell the story of his deed. Since he was a child, Manuel was especially fond to animals. It was indulged by his parents with a great variety of pets. Manuel married early and was happy with his wife Mona. Observing his fondness for domestic pets, she lost no opportunity of procuring those of the most agreeable kind. They had birds, goldfish, a fine dog, rabbits, a small monkey, and a cat. This cat, Pluto, was a remarkably large and beautiful animal, entirely black and sagacious to an astonishing degree. Manuel was very attached to Pluto, but at some point he started to feel anxious because of the presence of him.
Hey honey, how are you?
Fine. How was the work?
It was good, but I just wants to give me extra hours for this week.
Shoot. Meow. I wanted to spend this weekend with you.
Oh, what a shame, honey.
Meow.
Oh man. Honey, I'm going to get some drinks. Don't wait for me.
But I prefer the dinner.
See you later.
One night, returning home, completely intoxicated by alcohol from one of his haunts about town, he noticed that the cat was avoiding his presence. After that, the cat slowly recovered, but he no longer appeared to suffer any pain. He went about the house as usual, but as might be expected, fled in extreme terror at Manuel's approach. One morning, in cold blood, he slipped a noose about its neck and hung it. Hung it with the tears streaming from his eyes and with the bitterest remorse at his heart. The same night of this cruelty to the cat, he was aroused from sleep by the cry of fire. The curtains of his bed were in flames, the whole house was blazing. The walls, with one exception, had fallen in on the only wall still standing. He saw
It's on fire!
the whole house was blazing, with the walls, with one exception, had fallen in, the only wall standing. He saw a figure of a gigantic cat. The impression was given with an accuracy truly marvelous. There was a rope about the animal's neck. After the fire on the house, they had to move, and a couple of days later, living in his new house, Manuel found another black cat, a very large one, fully as large as Pluto, and closely resembling him in every aspect but one. Pluto did not have a white spot in his chest, and also had been deprived of one of its eyes as Pluto. Also, the cat reminded him so much to Pluto that he started to feel nervous to the presence of this new one. His anxiety became rage until he couldn't take it anymore and decided to kill the cat.
Oh, you're so cute.
Oh no! My wife!
Manuel killed Mona and he decided to hide her behind a wall of the house. Upon the fourth day of the assassination, police officers came very unexpectedly to the house and proceeded to make rigorous investigations about his wife.
Yes?
Hi. Hi, how are you?
Hi.
We are looking for the wife.
She's not here right now.
Okay, may we come in?
Yes, you may, of course.
We need to check the house.
Oh, of course. Well, do you have the key?
Están muy sexys esas policías.
The living room?
O sea, la boobie brillosa, ¿qué es eso?
As you can see, my house has strong walls.
What's the sound? I don't know. Where are my tools?
There's nothing.
Okay.
Manuel didn't realize that when he hit the corpse of his wife, the cat had hidden itself near to the dead body. That would be the end, guys.
That's how the story ends. And what happened with the cat?
Here's the cat.
Don't scare me. Hey, stop. Now I'm going to tell you my favorite story, okay?
Yes.
Yay!